Umar Khalid's hearing is in process, and the lawyer representing the Northeast Delhi riot suspect, Umar Khalid, has asked the Delhi court to order Indian legal news portal Lawbeat to pull down tweets regarding Umar Khalid's bail hearing because it is, and I quote, contemptuous. Lawbeat posted screenshots of WhatsApp messages which were presented as evidence to oppose the bail plea of Umar Khalid, who has been accused as one of those behind the Delhi riots. Now, while this lawyer, Rebecca John, argued that the screenshots of tweets be taken down, Special Public Prosecutor, or SSP Amit Prasad, appearing on behalf of the Delhi police, responded, and I quote, "An appropriate application may be filed for pulling down tweets which have shared screenshots from yesterday's hearing. I understand that will be more appropriate." SSP Amit Prasad had also presented evidence earlier this week to oppose the bail plea of Umar Khalid. Khalid has been booked under the IPC and the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act, or the UAPA Act, for his terror connection with the Delhi riot violence and larger conspiracy behind them. The core of the police case is that the Delhi riots, which took place during February 2020, involved communal riot incidents which were pre-planned by Khalid and others. Khalid was booked under the UAPA Act for giving active speeches and encouraging people to come out on the roads. Now, the riots did see people coming out on the roads, which created chaos, risk to innocent civilian lives, and ultimately damage to property, injury, as well as death. Back to the current hearing. SSP Amit Prasad included WhatsApp chats of the accused. Now, there were also WhatsApp groups like the Jamia Coordination Committee and the Delhi Protest Support Group, which were formed to coordinate agitators and protest places alike. Now, what sort of messages did these WhatsApp groups contain? SSP Amit Prasad read out a statement of a witness who had confirmed that Umar Khalid during a meeting had said, and I quote, "The government is against the Muslims. Only talking is not enough. We will have to shed blood." In the Delhi Protest Support Group, of which Umar Khalid was also a part of, a message reads, and I quote, "We are entirely ready to light a fire." If that's not inciting violence, I don't know what is. Now, let's remember, Umar Khalid was arrested in September 2020 for his alleged involvement in the violent Delhi riots. According to the charge sheet, Khalid had hatched the conspiracy of the anti-Hindu Delhi riots with others. He'd also allegedly met AAP councillor Tahir Hussain to assure logistical support during these riots. Before this, Umar Khalid was already in custody for other charges under the anti-terror law UAPA Act. According to Home Minister Amit Shah's speech in Parliament in March of 2020, during the Delhi riots, 700 FIRs were filed, over 150 weapons used in the violence have been seized, and approximately 50 cases have been lodged under the Arms Act. In March of 2020, H.M. Shah also articulated that approximately 2,647 people had been detained and arrested for violence in Delhi, and also stated that over 60 social media accounts that had been used to incite hatred had been closed and shut down at the time of violence. In regards to the violence, H.M. Shah said that it does not matter how many Hindus or Muslims have died. The fact is that Indians have died. Shah said that over 50 Indians lost their lives, 526 Indians were injured in the violence, 371 Indians were set ablaze, and 142 Indian homes were burned. Back to Umar Khalid's hearing, which is ongoing. SSP Amit Prasad has also told the court that the organizers of the anti-CAA protests allegedly had 25 protest locations near mosques and madrasas, those are Arabic institutions, but gave these protest sites a different name to give it a, and I quote, secular facade. Special Public Prosecutor Prasad also stated that Khalid and others were overseeing the protest sites remotely, and this is similar to the 9/11 terror attacks in the USA, where the conspirators never visited America. Prasad opposes the bail application of Umar Khalid. The outcome is still to be determined. Like and share this video. Also, be sure to leave your comments below. Keep watching News 9. Until next time, this is Priyanka signing off. Namaste.